In the Oracle Challenger 3, you're about to witness a demonstration of the most hardcore, down and dirty, hard-charging power aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Sean D. Tucker's more than 21,000 hours of combined fixed and rotary wing flight time. An incredibly fast spin down, 10, 11, 12 turns on the way down. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the Oregon International Airshow Sean D. Tucker. Into the air under the power of that engine and the hearts of propeller, keeping the airplane rolling in a dizzying demonstration that would make you and I absolutely lose our minds diving down to Airshow an incredible series of maneuvers that hopefully will bring you to your feet. Shoulder rolls on the upline, a spiraling tower, and sets up for the front flip. Sean D. Tucker has been inspired by a new generation of radio-controlled airplane pilots who can make their airplanes do what so many others do. But to keep up with what he wants to do. Over the top, he rolls the airplane twice, and a half, and a tumble at the top, and pushes for the inside-outside loop of the tower. Experiencing 6 negative G's. Sean D. Tucker is being thrown out of the cockpit with a force of 6 times his normal body weight. You can't doing that, buddy. You're getting arrested. Now let's watch as Sean sets up for a maneuver done by few other pilots in the world. To the left, he does a shoulder roll to the right. He'll bring it to a stop. He'll hit hard on the left rudder pedal and execute from 0 airspeed. Not 1 hammerhead stall turn, but 2. Come on, Hatesboro, put your hands together for Sean D. Tucker. This aircraft was built, custom built, specifically for Sean by his team. He had reached the limits of his other aircraft. They could not keep up with Sean, weighing in at a mere 1,228 pounds and has an almost 400 horsepower engine, making it one of the most high-performance aerobatic biplanes in the world today. Now, as Sean climbs, watch him go inverted and set up for the frisbee turn, a flat turn, keeping the wings level. Now, it's time to go live to the cockpit. Sean D. Tucker, are you with us? You know what? The view I got up here right now is just amazing.